1.
Microbiota. Epidemiology. Investigations of the microbiome that utilize multidisciplinary lab, also dissection methods, and additionally through acceptance from claiming instance status, need aid likely to yield translational chances to decrease tumor horribleness. Those mankind's microbiome, which incorporates the aggregate genome of the some bacteria, archaea, fungi, protists. Furthermore, infections found done furthermore on the human body will be modified to a large number of ailments. Also, might significantly influence tumor hazard. Helicobacter pylori, periodontal disease, grows. Investigations recognizing these acquaintanceship between those mankind's microbiome and tumor danger. While about distinguished acquaintanceships about distinct microscopic organisms, this short survey summarizes microbiome research centering with respect to distributed epidemiological cooperations with gastroesophageal, hepatobiliary, creating lung, colorectal, also other growths. Health. The typical gut microbiota produces 50 to 100 micromole per liter for every day from claiming short-chain greasy acids, for example, acetic propionic, furthermore, butyric acids. What's more, serves similarly as a vitality sour ball of the host intestinal epithelium. For example, those intestinal microbiota may be included in the absorption for specific nourishments that can't a chance to be processed toward those stomach. Also, small intestine, what's more, assumes enter part overlooking after vitality homeostasis. Harmonious microscopic organisms metabolize toxic compounds, supply crucial nutrients, protect against colonization, eventually interspersing entrepreneurial pathogens, and help the forming about intestinal construction modeling. Those figure holds in any event 1,000 distinctive species for known microscopic organisms, also carries 150 more microbial genes over discovered in the whole human genome. Those nourishments are fundamentally dietary fibers, for example, such as xyloglucans, which would usually discovered previously vegetables and might make processed toward the particular species from claiming bacteroids. Those signs, what's more, metabolites of microorganisms could make sense toward the hematopoietic and non-hematopoietic units of the intrinsic safe framework, what's more translated under physiological reactions. A disease. Various investigations have showed the personal relationship of them in the middle of contamination and dysbiosis of the microbiota, and Bring indicated that contamination is partnered not just with the microbiome as well as infections. Importantly, resistible sickness, also its medicine, bring a profound effect on the human microbiota, which thus determines those results of the irresistible sickness in the mankind's group. Gut microbiota. Finally, we display later confirmation will backing that disturbances in the bacterial microbiota bring about dysregulation from claiming versatile safe cells. Furthermore, this might underlie issue, for example, provocative gut ailment. Both short and long haul dietary transform might impact the microbial profiles, and baby sustenance might need lifelong outcomes through microbial regulation of the safe framework. There may be developing distinguishment of the part of diet and other ecological variables over moderating the arrangement and metabolic movement of the mankind's gut microbiota, which thus might affect well-being. In this audit, we took discoveries demonstrating that developmental viewpoints of the versatile safe framework are impacted eventually, Tom's pursuing bacterial colonization of the gut. The gastrointestinal tract is those elementary web page for interactional. The middle of the host safe framework, also microorganisms, both harmonious and pathogenic. Thank you.